about that. We're just gonna do a quick run through. We're gonna review CRO, look at where we're at, where we're going. There's a lot of eyes on CRO right now, so I've been getting a little DMs if we can do a CRO breakdown and see what these charts are telling us. So sit back, relax, and enjoy, guys. Okay, so what are we looking at? We're looking at the CRO daily chart. This is a daily chart, and this chart is beautiful, guys. If you're looking at the CRO chart, if you see the HLs, I marked them for higher lows. We've been mostly only green candles. We've been going parabolic for the last few weeks. And this is just, this right here is just a sign of exhaustion. Like I said, markets can't always go up. They need to take breathers, they need to rest, and these corrections are actually very healthy in the market. So, big whoop. It's so far it's up to 10%. This is on the daily for CRO, and like I said, we just had a almost 20% move in the last few days. If you see right here at the top screen, you see 19%, 6%, 10%, 27%. CRO has been crushing it. I see a little bit of FOMO here, a little bit of greed, and I think that's why we're witnessing this correction right now. I think and I'm sure a lot of you guys, if you guys are early CRO investors, you could agree with me that people sometimes, I mean, there's nothing wrong with taking some profits. Remember, I always tell everybody in my groups, hey, if you are in profit, don't get greedy, and put some coins to the side and live to fight another day. So if we're looking at this so far, 10%, we've been pulling back. This could it could be an opportunity. It could be a great opportunity, I think. Maybe if we get down a little lower, I wouldn't be surprised to see 80 cents again. And if 80 cents acts as our new support, which from the looks of it, looks like that's what it might be. If that acts as our new support, we'll be looking to catch a bounce right there and see maybe a reversal and start another movement to the upside. So if we're looking at volume, same thing. Not only we've had a bit of lower volume, but it's been on the bearish side. If you look at the RSI right here in this area, the RSI is a little bit exhausted and now looking downward. So we might see a little bit of downward pressure, and maybe something like this. Maybe we can bounce at this 68 RSI and correct and start moving up like that. Maybe that's where we would see like a support at this level right here, and maybe we can see a support right here before we can catch a move to the upside like that. Like I said, corrections are good buying opportunities. I know a lot of people have been eyeing Crypto.com CRO, Crypto.com's native coin CRO. They've been looking at it, and I know there's some people that just sit on the sidelines and are like, oh, I'm going to wait for the pullback. I'm going to wait for the pullback. Well, you're getting the pullback opportunity. This is not financial advice. I'm just sharing what I am personally doing. I look for those corrections. Once I let them find support, that leaves a good buying opportunity. So that was for this chart right now. Like I said, we're looking at the daily. If I zoom in a little bit and we check this 4-hour chart right here, as you can see, it moves in waves, and these have been constant higher lows. This could be the next higher low, and I think honestly that's what we're seeing right there. You saw where the candle starts to get a little bit exhausted, rejected, and this is where you start seeing this little bearish, short-term bearish trend. Then it corrects itself, and we get the next leg up. And I think that's what we're seeing right here. Look, if you, we got one right here, we got one right here, we got one right here. So like I said, the market doesn't move in a straight line, and I honestly really like this because it gives people to come in and they have a chance at buying coins at a discount. So nothing bearish here. I still don't have there's no indicators of CRO being bearish long term. I think CRO is just grabbing traction right now. So to be honest with you, something to look at. Buying opportunities. Number two, so I'm not sure if you guys heard about this drop. So CRO now on their Kronos network, this is why their DeFi platform was getting a lot of attention, is because like Ethereum or Solana, you'll also be able to swap and trade NFTs, buy NFTs, hold NFTs, and it's relatively pretty cheap. So it's like I said, again, lots of attention. I actually was in the waiting list for this drop, Loaded Lions. I wanted to get one. I waited for about 2 hours, and once it was my turn, there was about 40,000 people in front of me, and by the time it was my turn, you had to signal in on the phone. They would put you on a waiting list, and once your time came, you would have, I believe it was 10 minutes to pick your line. Soon as I got in, it said sold out. So I didn't even get a chance. Really wanted one of these lines. I think this is going to be one of their like exclusive NFT lines. But what I found pretty interesting, and let me try to find this because it was actually a tweet. So this guy said, I think that's French. I don't know. He tweeted this. And I found this interesting. If you guys look at the bottom, Loaded Lions, NFT, are no ordinary collectibles will not only own the first ever PFP drop released by NFT platform, but look at this. Look at this right here. Perks and platforms. But you'll also enjoy Lion's share of perks and platform utilities. So this means that... sorry, I had to bend down. I'm kind of blind, guys. So this means that a lot of these NFT tokens are going to come with utility. You might be, for example, let's say you buy one of these lions, you might get some special perks and maybe some free CRO, or maybe you have access to some exclusive merch, or you might be able to stake these lions or put them in some type of wallet and earn some type of yield or reward. We don't know. That's not disclosed. But it's something that's really interesting, really caught my eye. So I think that Crypto.com is going to be working on stuff like that, incentives, building incentives for people want to want NFTs, put a little bit more purpose to NFTs other than just swapping them. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to earn some type of rewards on them. So I think that's pretty interesting, pretty cool. So keep an eye out on the Crypto.com NFTs. Next, it's gonna be... Okay, so check this out, guys. About 2 weeks ago, did a video on and it's posted on YouTube. Where this side, right there? No, YouTube's on the other side, over there. Well, this way, over there. To the kid. Follow me on YouTube if you are not. Like, subscribe. Thank you. Back to this. About 2 weeks ago, I made a video about this VVS token that you can stake on the Crypto.com DeFi app. I believe this is like one of their first dApps they put on that platform, and this is on the Kronos. So VVS Finance. When we last looked at it, it didn't have a market cap. There was no price on it. There was basically no information besides this right here, VVS Finance. And, two and a half weeks, we're back, and we got some metrics here. So check it out. Finally got a market cap. VVS has actually been doing really good ever since they got listed on Crypto.com. Which was a few days ago, the 22nd, we are 24th, so 2 days ago. Check it out. Slowly but surely going up. Got listed at around 11 cents. Well, we're at 14, so 1462 satoshis. I think that's pretty cool. So we knew this was going to happen once it got listed, or started to get more attention. So if you guys didn't watch our last video, I'm going to try to put a link somewhere around here to that last video. Like I said, almost when they launched, $4 million in trading volume in 24 hours, very, very low. And then I believe it was that first weekend, VVS just went parabolic. I mean, the APYs were just off the charts, and there was a lot of people made some quick cash that day. Unfortunately, it kind of got dumped the following day. But it's picking back up. If we look at the trading volume on this side right here, that one day, I believe it was Sunday, 270 million 24-hour volume. That's pretty cool. That's really good. Since then, we have gone down. Where we're at right now, it's a bit low, but check this out. This is when you want to get in anyway. Around these prices, do you see, is when it's left alone and no one's thinking about it, that's when you want to scoop up the bag. That's when you want to scoop up the bag. That's when you want to fill up on the coins to get ready to run with it. So you want to load up when volume is low, and you want to sell up here when volume is high. That's what you want to do. Stack up, take profits, repeat. Rinse and repeat. So, market cap. This wasn't, 140 million. 140 million. A second here. 140 million. Let's see if it tells us anything else. Since then, they've also added a few other tokens for you Shiba swappers. If you guys swap Shiba Inu, well, it's here. You got some Tether. VVS Finance, I haven't looked into those guys, but I'm not interested anyway. Shiba Inu, like I said, I know a lot of people have Shiba Inu, but since then, they've added a few tokens to there so you guys could swap. A lot of transactions. These are active transactions at the moment, 19 minutes ago. So VVS has been growing over time. Crypto.com. Okay. Last but not least, Crypto.com has been moving tremendously. I think all-time high was 90 cents, 91. Don't quote me on that. But since then, so many things have happened, and they're going to continue to add to their platform. And their ecosystem just continues to grow. So that was a quick run through for today, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I will keep you guys updated with as much as content as I can. I'll be changing it up and doing different videos. So I appreciate you, and have a good one.